Hello, welcome to another class with me. My name is Ming. Today we're going to explore these inquiry questions. That is, how do I represent sets and their operations? And we are supposed, in here, we're going to learn about reading and writing set operations and matching set operations to Venn diagram. Okay, so let us get started. So in this particular video, if you see this particular sign, that means you should stop the video, try these questions, write your responses neatly with diagrams and relevant notation in your notebook. And when you're ready, play the video to check your answers. Okay, so let us go to the next slide. So in here, this is what you need to do. So once you're ready, you can start matching, checking your answers. Okay, so here, I'm just going to show you the answer. A Venn diagram is represented, is a graphical depiction set with circles or enclosed area for the sets and a rectangle for the universe. So a universal set is the rectangle, and then the set is this, represented as an enclosed curve or circle. Very good. Next question. Here, again, you also may want to pause the video to try this out. Set A contains all elements that has property defined by A, or all elements that do not have property defined by A. This is obvious. The answer is this part. All elements that do not have property defined by A are in set A complement of A, this one, for example. This is the complement of A. So the answer for the second one is B. So everything that is not in A is in A complement. Next. Here we look at this, the union of A and B, and then the intersection of A and B, which are this union. I think of it union like this, union. Therefore, this is A union B is this one. Intersection, intersection. This is how I remember it. So this is N. So this is with this one, intersection. And union means the elements must be in A or B. So this is union, right? And then intersection means that this must be both in A and in B. Both in A and in B. So N is with intersection, A and D, and union is like for all. This is how I remember it. Okay, so next one. Match each term with an appropriate Venn diagram. So this one I already done that for you previously, all right? And we need to check the Venn diagram. So remember the definition above, right? How do you have the Venn diagram? Okay, so this means it's both in A and in B. So both in A and B, that means this one is for intersection. So this is A intersect B. This is B part, right? Next, this one is both in A or in B. That's union. So this is A union B. By the way, this particular thing is called the universe. That's not the union, right? That's the universe. And usually it's written as U, for example. And in some textbook, this is written with a curly E, something like, look like a curly E. Okay, next. The next slide over here. We have a diagram such as this. Here's the shaded area, and we need to find out all suitable description for this shaded area, and also this Venn diagram. Okay, this shaded area and the Venn diagram. So A and B are not connected, they do not share anything, this is what we call set A and set B are disjoint, correct. No element X is both in set A and in set B. This is also correct because they have no intersection. The shaded region is A union B. That's not correct. A union B is this. That is everything in A or everything in B. That is A union B. The shaded region is A union B complement. That is everything that is not, let me write this. This means not A union B, which in this case correct. That is the correct statement. That is everything that is not in A union B outside of A union B. This is given by this shaded region here. Okay, so thank you very much, and in the next video we can look into this particular problem. Thank you and bye-bye.